So record has been started. Yeah, guys, what we discussed in the last class, uh, we have taken the PG-based backup and we practiced like how to configure the archive logs, right? Correct. So, and also, whenever we are going to do any of the transactions, once we configure the archive, okay, each and every transaction means each and every 16 MB files will going to copy to the archive logs. Correct, guys? Right. Okay. So, normally, whenever we are going to do the point in time recovery, the archive log is very much essential. Without archive log, okay, we cannot restore the point in time. Okay. So, will show you what are all the things we configured in the last class. See here. So here, mm, so one moment. Yeah. See here. Here we have configured on which instance we have configured here only, right? Mm, data one. PostgreSQL com. So here archive, not this one. So I think we worked on this. I think so. Let me check. Here, yeah, here also. This is the one. So here we have configured of the servers. Yeah, here. Okay, so see here, cd prod one. Guys, going and check this config file. See here, guys, we have configured archive mode here. See here, and also archive command. Whenever we are going to, um, do the transaction in the database server, at the time, each and every transaction will going to, copy to the archive logs. Okay. So this exactly, what we did in the last class. Okay. Today, what I'm going to do, I'm going to explain online backup and recovery. Okay. See here now, first I will go for paint. What exactly I'm going to explain in the practical. Okay. See here, guys. So first of all, it's a completely real-time scenario. Okay, guys. Online backup and recovery. Okay. See here there is a one database server. Okay, this database server name called prod1. Okay, so in this database server, okay, I'm going to configure archive as well. So archive mode is equal to on and also archive command. Okay, so I'm going to configure. Okay, I'm going to configure archive mode and archive command. Okay, here I will specify the path for archive. Okay, so how to specify, using cp command. So here percentage %p and path for where we need to copy. Okay, I'm going to copy to the archive location. And here we need to specify %f. Okay, this is the way we need to configure the archive. Okay, this is the way we need to configure the archive. Now, once everything is ready, the production server is ready. If I am going to do the transactions, example, create table T1 as select star from PG underscore class. Okay. If I'm going to do the transaction, okay, at the time, see here, in the transaction will be going to PG wall as well, correct? The transactions will go to PG wall as well, and as well as the transaction, once the 16 MB file is full, okay, it will going to copy to the archive. Okay. Once the 16 MB file is full in PG wall, okay, 16 MB file is full, okay, it will going to copy to that 16 MB file to archive location. Okay, so each and like each and every transaction, okay, once the 16 MB file is full, it will going to copy to the archive. Okay, so now see here. Okay, what in this scenario, what I'm going to do? See here again, I will go and create the table T2 as select star from PG underscore class. Okay, so see here, I created these two tables. In the production server, I created these two tables. These two table transactions will be there on PG wall and as well as archive. Guys, correct, right? These two tables transaction will be there on PG wall and archive. Okay. Guys, you are able to understand, right? If you have doubts here. Guys, if you have any doubts here.
No, Manoj.
Okay. So now what I am going to do, as of now, in the production server, there are two tables is there. Correct? What I am going to do. So this is the first time setup. Okay. I'm going to take the PG based backup to other location. Okay, what is the other location? I'm going to create the PG based backup app01/backup. Okay, for this location, I'm going to take the file system level backup. So now see here, if I'm going to take the file system level backup, the entire things will come. Whatever the things is there on the production server, okay, including the transactions, okay, everything will comes to backup. Okay, to backup location, everything will going to copy. Entire file system, it will going to copy to this location. Okay, as of now, we have in this backup, how many tables is there, guys? As of now, how many tables is there in this table? Sorry, in this backup. Currently, how many tables is there?
Two tables.
Exactly. See here, as of now, in this database server, two tables is there. Okay. So now I taken the backup. In this the backup, there are two tables is there. Now what I'm going to do, after taken the backup, okay, I'm going to create two more tables. Create table T3, okay, as select star from PG underscore class. And also here also, one more table I'm going to create. Okay, create table T4. Okay, I'm going to create one more table, T4 table. Okay, so as of now in the production database server, how many tables is there, guys? T1, okay, T2, T3 and T4. Correct? T1, T2, 3, T4. Four tables is there. But in the backup, we have only two tables. Correct? Now, the scenario is what it will going to happen, suddenly some disaster will going to happen on the production server. Okay, how to recover the things? How to recover other two tables now? Anybody have any idea? If the production server is got crashed, okay, how we need to recover those two tables in this backup? Does anybody have any idea for this? Vishnu, Srinivas, Pradeep.
Is it from archive log?
Exactly. So we need to recover those two tables from the archive logs. Okay. So we need to recover those two tables from archive logs. We can. Okay. So that is possible. Using this archive, we can restore T3 and T4. Okay. But one thing we need to specify here in the postgresql.conf file. Okay. We need before whenever we are going to recover those two tables, what we need to do, in the postgresql.conf file, there is a configuration parameter called restore command. Okay, there is a configuration parameter called restore command. Okay, we need to specify the archive log path. At that time, okay, it will going to restore, okay, those two tables. Okay, guys, it will going to restore those two tables. Got it right? This is, this is exactly the real-time scenario. Okay, so in many cases, it will going to happen this type of scenarios. Okay, we can easily recover the things from the archive. Okay, anybody have any doubts on in these scenarios, guys? Anybody have any doubts? Okay, so now I'm going to explain in practical. Like that. Guys, please don't mind, okay? Every time I'm going to call your names and all, right? Please don't mind. So now what I'm going to do, I will create three directories. One is for prod, prd1. Okay. So one is for archive. One is for backup. Okay, guys. I created three directories. Okay, first of all, I'm going to build PRD1 database server. Yeah. So now it's done. Initialization is done. Now I will go to postgresql.conf. Here, first thing is we need to change the port number. So I will do 5111. And what is the next thing, guys? Wall level. Wall level should be replica. Okay. And also archive mode. This configuration parameters are familiar, right? Nowadays, guys. Archive mode, wall level. Guys, I think no one is not
Yeah.
responding.
Yes, Manoj.
I think nowadays it's not interested, guys. The class is not interested. App01/arc1 slash percentage f. Okay, so this is our archive path because I created ERC1 directory, okay, under this app01. So this is the archive. Okay, now everything is configured on production server. I will start the production server app01 prd1. Sorry, I did not mention the start. Oh, why? Maybe that port number is already in use. Let me check the log. Yes, it's already in use. Change the port number. Here, in the port number 522, 5322. This port number is not assigned to any database server. It will going to start. So now what I'm going to do, I will connect it to the production database server, guys. Okay, I connected to the production database server. So now what I'm going to do, I will create two tables first in the production server. P1 as select start from pg underscore class, comma, pg underscore description. Yeah, so P1 is created. Now I will create P2 table as well. Yeah, so P2 table also created. See here, as of now, two tables is there on production server. Now what I'm going to do, I will going to take the PG base backup -p 5222 for this production server. I'm going to take the backup, okay? -u Postgres slash app01, okay? B back, I think is the directory pkp1. pkp1, okay? So now I'm going to give the -p as well. Okay. You need to specify -d option. See here, guys. So now it is waiting for a checkpoint. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I will do manual checkpoint here. PSQL-p 5222 checkpoint. You can observe here.
Manoj, what is
Yeah.
the default checkpoint time for?
5 minutes. 5
5
minutes.
minutes. Okay.
Yeah. So what is not recommended 5 minutes, we need to change to milliseconds.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now in this backup, okay, like we have two tables, okay, P1, P2, right? So now what I'm going to do, again, I will do two tables creation, P3 and P4. Okay, but this tables, it will not going to copy to backup the particular backup. Okay, it will only there in production, but this transaction will going to copy to the archive. Now again I will create one more table P4. Okay, again one more table I'm going to create, that is the table name is P4. So see here, as of now there are 4 tables. Okay, in the backup, what we take in the backup, in that backup only 2 tables is there, right guys? So now what I'm going to do, I will go and crash the production server. PRD1 stop. Okay, I'm going to stop this production server. Okay, means it is crashed due to some reasons. Okay, now we need to recover P3 and P4 table. Okay, we need to recover P3 and P4 table. If you are going to check app01, ARC1, right? Here you can check where exactly for the, see here, up to this transaction file. Okay, the backup taken up to this transaction file. After the few, 40, we have no backups. We have only the transaction logs. See here, we have only the transaction log. Okay, now we need to recover those 2 tables. What we need to do, guys? What we need to do? We will go to bkp1 slash app01 bkp1 here. Here, what we need to do, guys, I told you what we need to do here. Guys, which configuration parameter we need to set to restore those 2 tables? Guys, hello? Guys, which configuration parameter?
Manoj, so I did not hear the starting because of another meeting conflict.
Yeah,
So
that's same.
the server is crashed, right? So
Yeah,
the
yeah.
instance is, so you are creating a new instance again to restore that 2 tables.
No. So we have taken the PG based backup, file system level backup. At that time, whatever the things is there in the production server, okay, the same things will comes to backup directory. We have not created any instances. Just we have take once, we have created 2 tables, right? After the 2 tables is created, we have taken the backup, PG based backup. At that time, all the things will going to copy to the particular directory, backup directory. Again, I created 2 tables. Okay. Once I created 2 tables, suddenly, the production server got crashed. Now, what I'm doing, in the whatever we taken the backup, right? In that backup, each and every configuration file related to database server, all the things is available in this directory. Okay. So this is not, I did not create any database server. This is purely the backup, file system level backup.
Okay. So you are restoring that 1 table and 2 table.
Not
So
1, 2, 3, 4. I'm
yes,
restoring 3, 4.
okay, you are restoring now only 3, 4. Okay.
Exactly, exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, somebody is asking doubts. Guys, Please
No,
ask.
no. So this backup contains the archive directory also.
Exactly. This
Will
backup
it,
contains archive log directory as well. See here, archive. See here, everything, whatever the configuration we have done in the production server, all the things it will going to copy here.
but that that archive directory and this archive directory are both are same, right?
See here, still this backup, whatever we taken the backup, we are not yet started the database server.
Oh, got it. Sure, sure, got it. Sure.
Correct, right? Yeah. So when we started the database server, at that time, the transaction will going to same archive. At that time, everything with it will be going to consistent and sync, right? Okay. Yeah. Guys, anybody have any doubts? Yeah, correct. Which configuration parameter we need to set now to restore the those two tables? Okay, it's okay, no problem. That is restore command. Guys needs to remember this command, this configuration parameter, restore command. Very, very important. Whenever we are going to restore the archives to other server at the time, okay, so we need to use restore command configuration parameter. Guys, got it? We need to use this configuration parameter. See here, they are already mentioned. This is completely a archive recovery. Okay, this is completely a archive recovery, and as well as what they mentioned here, guys, this command will going to work only used in recovery mode. Okay, whenever we are going to start the database server, at that time, we need to start the database server in recovery mode. If you guys are not going to start the database server in recovery mode, right? This parameter, it will not going to work. Okay, this parameter, it will not going to work. Okay, we need to start the database server in our recovery mode. Got it right, guys? Anybody have any doubts here? Guys, anybody have any doubts?
No, I'm clear.
Okay, so now what I'm going to do, copy here on the ARC1, the same where exactly the archives is there, we need to copy this path. Okay, restore command. Oh, I think I did not copy properly. It's not working. It's okay. CP slash app01. Oh, app01 slash ARC1 slash percentage P and percentage F. Okay. See here. app01, ARC1, percentage P and percentage F. Oh, sorry, percentage F and percentage P. Percentage F and percentage P. See here, app01, ARC1, percentage F and percentage P. See here, this is ulta. Archive command is completely, reverse. See here, percentage P, the path and the path we need to specify and percentage of. When we are going to use restore command, at the time, we need to specify first the where we are going to restore from. And this is the percentage of, and the percentage of means file, and percentage P is the path. Okay. We need to specify like this. Okay, this is the way we need to specify. Now, what I'm going to do, I need to start the database server in recovery mode. How we need to start, do you know? we need to touch. Okay, please remember this one. How to start? Sorry, recovery dot signal. Okay, when we are going to touch this flag in the data directory at the time, okay, the database will goes to recovery mode. When we are going to start the database server, right? At the time, the database will going to start as a recovery mode. Okay, we need to touch this file, recovery.signal. Please remember this one, okay? So it's a very important. Now what I'm going to do in the parallel, I will open the log for this PKP1 cd log tail -f. So today is Wednesday, right? Yeah. See here now, I'm going to start the backup. Up to 40, we have already taken the backup. So now it will going to recover from 41, correct? So now I will start. Okay, before going to start, we'll give the permission. So BKP1. So now pg_ctl-d /app/app01 BKP1 start. Okay, see here guys, now I'm going to start the database server in a recovery mode. Okay, see here, see here, redo start set. Okay, see here. So now, if you are going to archive recovery is completed. Okay, so now if you go and connect to the -522, correct? What is the, I forgot. Okay, 588. Okay, see here, show data_directory. This is BKP1, and also now you can check. Oh, why it is not restored?
3 and 4
Okay.
is not restored because you have taken the only backup till P1 and P2 only, no?
Yeah. But I'm going to restore the back, like I'm going to restore the P3 and P4 using archive logs. Okay, I'm going to restore the backup, so those tables using archive logs. Okay, yeah, let me check why exactly. Something is my stuff I messed up here. Where is that? Recovery restore command cp, yeah, %f %p. Okay, one moment. Maybe in configuration file.
We have space before the %p.
Yes, yeah. So here the problem is. Okay, so now again. So see here, once we started, guys, see here, that recovery.signal file is not there. Okay. So once it successfully started the database server, the recovery.signal file will going to remove. Means the database server. Okay. So it will going to act as a recovery mode when we are going to start. Once the started, okay, automatically the recovery will going to false. So now see here again, I'm going to touch recovery.signal. Okay, I will open the log. Yeah, so let me touch this file. Recovery spelling is correct, right, guys? Recovery.signal. Yeah. So now This is the right time to start. Start. Okay, let me start. Okay, so let's go and do five triple eight. Now also it's not restored. Huh? Why it is not restoring? 1 moment. What is the log? Oh, no such file or directory. ARC103. Got it. Let me stop again. Yeah, got it. 1 moment, guys. Let me stop once again. Stop. Now see here first. See here what it's saying, in this archive path, okay, it is saying this file is not there, means no such file or directory. Let me go and check. Restore log file dot from archive. Okay, so anyway, I will check this file. CD. First of all, I will go to dot here pg underscore wall ls-lrth. Here it is saying come. Oh, sorry, not this one. App01 prd1. 1 moment, guys. I think I mentioned which one? Slash app01 prd1, not prod. Yeah. Uh-oh. Now I got it. 1 moment. App01 pkp1. So here vi postgresql dot conf. ERC1 percentage of percentage P copy. Okay, this is right. App01. How come in back PKP1 this many transactions is there? Okay, it's okay. BKP1, PRD1, CDPG underscore wall, Postgres. '81. Where the backup happened? 40. Okay. Here the backup happened 40. Which file is missing here? 42. This file is missing. Let me check this file. If single transaction file is missed, pwd. So this is backup statement. Slash app01 prd1. Here 42 is not there. So there also 42 is not there. How come? 42. Okay. Here. Why, man? Why it is taking 42? There is no files here. Oh, something is happened here. CD slash app01 pkp1. One moment. Something is went wrong. I'm sure about that. I've taken the backup to pkp1 only. Okay. Yeah. So something is messed up here. I will do one thing. I will create three more instances in fast. Okay. So mkdir, I will mention the name m1 mkdir. It's a m2 underscore arc mkdir m3 underscore bkp. Okay, so now I'm going to initialize this database server m1. So here hash app01 m1 pi postgresql dot conf. So here I'm going to change the port number. Sorry. 888.881 I will specify. Yeah, now the next thing is wall level. And also here I will specify wall keep size as well. So I will specify archive command, archive mode. Here I will specify archive mode on archive command copy %p slash app01 slash app01 what I specified m3 underscore I think bkp, correct? Yeah. Yeah. So now, okay. Here I need to specify slash %f %p yeah. Okay. So now I'm going to exit here. M3 underscore BKP, correct. Oh, sorry. I'm confused. M2 underscore ARC. M2 underscore ARC. Okay, now I'm going to start. The main server. Is the error? This is also I given. Specify 8811. 8811. Now I will create the table. Here I'm going to create a table. P1. Yeah, so I'm going to create P2. Okay, so now as of now, see here, there are two tables. Now I will take the backup, PG base backup. Yeah, before going to take the backup, let me check the archives. M2 underscore ARC. Yes, all the archives available. Let me check in the M1 PG underscore wall. Okay, up to 3E. It needs to be there. Yes, 3E, correct. It is there. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I will take PG base backup -P. What is the 8811, correct?
Yes.
-U Postgres -D /app01 M3 underscore BKP and -P. Okay. Now I'm going to take the backup. In this backup, the two tables will going to backed up. Okay. In this directory. Now let's go and start the backup. Wait for a checkpoint. So let me go and do manual checkpoint. 8811 checkpoint. See ya. The backup is done. Okay. So now if you're going to check the, PG wall, right? Up to 40, the backup is happened. See here, PG wall. And also if you're go to archive, right? app01, app01, what is that? M2 underscore ARC. See here also up to 40. Correct? See here, up to 40, the backup happened. Okay, now what I need to do, I will log into main server, means M1 server. Okay, let me create another two tables. Okay, so let me create another two tables. Yeah, so let me create one more table. Okay, so now the total four tables is there. Okay, and if you are going to check here, right? After 40, see here, so many transactions will be there. Correct? If you're going to check /app01 M1 PG underscore wall, right? Here also So many transactions, 7F, and 8 is the newest one. Okay, so now if the production server is crashed, means M1 is going to crash. Okay, I'm going to stop. So now we need to recover. Okay, we need to recover, you know, the particular two tables, P3 and P4. Okay, so just go here. One moment. Okay, so here cd/app01 m3. Yeah, this is the one. PostgreSQL con. Here, what we need to do, we need to restore command. Correct. This one we need to restore command cp slash app01 slash m2 underscore arc1. ARC1 or ARC1? I think ARC. Let me check cross verify otherwise. ARC. M2 underscore ARC. That is fine. So now here I need to specify percentage F and percentage P. Correct, guys? So now, apart from that, so there is no configuration parameter. So here restore command. Okay. So percentage of, let me cross verify one more time. Okay, CP. Yeah, this is correct. Now I'm going to start this database server. Okay, so before going to start, let's check PC1. Okay, this is correct. 40 only. Yeah, so now let me start. Okay, before going to start, what we need to do, guys?
We need to do touch signal. Need to create.
Yes, touch recovery dot signal. Spelling is correct, right? Recovery. So recovery dot signal. Yeah. So now I need to change the permission chmod 0700 slash 01 m2. Yeah. So in another console, I will open the log file. Sorry. Dash app01 m3 pc underscore all. Yeah. So now I will start this database server pg underscore ctl -d slash app01. Before going to start, I will check whether that signal file is there or not. Yeah, it's there. pg underscore ctl-d /app01 m3 start. Okay, so let me start. Why, what happened today? M3 underscore backup start. So let me start this one. Provide it, right? Zeros. Yeah, so let me start now. Yeah. See here, guys, now it's restoring up from 41. So see here. So whenever we taken the backup, so that is the 40 we have taken the backup up to 40. After 41, it is here. It is restoring. It is restoring from archive. Here, it is restoring completely. So whenever we are going to do this type of activities, we need to concentrate very, we need to concentrate. Oh, now what happened? So now database, yeah, it's good now. Okay, so let me connect. What is the port number? 88? Not 88.
811, right?
What is that?
8811.
No, no, no. I think not 8811. One moment. Yeah, 8811. Yeah. 8811. See here now show data underscore directory. See here M3 underscore backup. Here, see here. As of now, we recovered these two tables, P3 and P4. Okay, we have recovered these two tables, P3 and P4. Okay, so this is the way we need to recover from archive. Okay, guys, anybody have any doubts here? Guys, anybody have any doubts?
No, Manoj.
No, Manish. Good.
So that's why, like whenever we are going to do, if one thing is going to messed up, right? So we are unable to recover from archive. So that's why. So we need to listen carefully and we need to do. Okay. So this is very important. Okay, this is actually a real-time scenario. Okay. So yeah, tomorrow I'm going to explain point-in-time recovery. Okay, how exactly we need to do the point-in-time recovery. We'll go on tomorrow. And as well as tomorrow, once we done the point-in-time recovery, okay, so we'll go for replication. Okay, replication is very important concept, guys. Okay, I'm going to explain 4 types of replication. Okay, so please don't miss the classes. Okay, and also once the replication is done, I'm going to explain upgradation and all and maintenance activity. Okay, so a lot of things is there. We'll do. Okay, but please practice these things, guys. If you guys are not going to practice, there is no use for this. Okay, please practice in your laptop. If you have any doubts, please let me know. I'm going to